Want to see the difference between SMD, GOB, and COB? SMD LED uses individual packaged naked LEDs, most common and mature, easy damage and easy repair. GOB is SMD with glue on board to protect screen better for finer pixel pitch, shockproof and waterproof on the surface. COB mounts chip directly on the PCB board, delivers soft light and better image quality. Select the right one according to your application environment. Here's the main difference, and you can contact us for this comparison sheet. Thanks for watching. See you!